Right now, you are losing money every single year. Not because you're bad with money, but because no one ever taught you how money actually works. The average person loses around $1,000 every year just from simple financial mistakes. And over time, that small number becomes a very big problem. Because if that money was invested, it could turn into over $200,000. That's the difference between struggling for decades and building real freedom. Welcome to Money Strategy Ava, where we break down simple strategies to help you take control of your financial future. Most people never ask one simple question: where am I financially right now? You need to know your income, your expenses, and the difference between them, because your income pays for your lifestyle, but your surplus builds your freedom. Now let's talk about the biggest trap: debt. Debt doesn't just cost you money, it works against you. It compounds in the opposite direction. A small balance can turn into years of payments. There are two ways to escape debt: the snowball method, start small, build momentum, or the avalanche method, start with the highest interest, save more money. The best one? The one you actually stick with. If you don't control your money controls you. A simple rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% for your future. Before you invest, you need protection. 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, because life will happen. Saving keeps you safe, but investing builds wealth. Over time, the market has returned around 10% per year, and that changes everything. You don't need to be an expert. You just need a system. Invest in index funds. Own the market, instead of trying to beat it. And the fastest way to move forward? Multiple income streams. One income is risk. Multiple incomes is freedom. The truth is, money is not complicated. It was just never explained to you the right way. But now you know, and what you do next changes everything. Subscribe to Money Strategy Ava for more simple strategies to build your financial future.